Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina and today I will show you one of my favorite pasta, spaghetti carbonara. The ingredients for carbonara are very simple. You need guanciale, which is the cured cheek of the pork, or pancetta tesa, or in case if you have any intolerance, you can use as well veal bacon or beef bacon. Pecorino cheese, Grana Padano or Parmesan cheese, spaghetti pasta, fresh eggs, black pepper and white wine. First of all, remove the cotenna, that is this small layer of skin from the pork. By the way, the recipe that I'm doing is for 2 people. Keep aside. Take the Parmesan cheese or Grana Padano and start to grate very fine. Try to don't press too much, so it should be very light cheese. Now take a pecorino cheese. On the same way, try to grate it very light. For my recipe, you need a total of 100 grams of cheese, 50 grams each. Now break 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Add both cheeses. Open the pepper mill because we need a bit rough black pepper. And we need a lot of black pepper. Whisk all together. This is the sauce for the carbonara. Add the salt in a boiling water. Put the guanciale in a pan and roast it. As you can see, the guanciale start to become transparent and will start to release all the oil, natural fat. Some people add corn oil or olive oil, but actually you don't need. As you can see, the guanciale release enough oil for your carbonara. The guanciale is almost ready. Some people, they overcooked, become very hard and crispy, but I don't like that. So when it's like this, the guanciale is ready. Remove some part and keep aside. Then add the wine. Make sure that all the alcohol is evaporated. Add a little bit of boiling water to create this creaminess. Now start to add the pasta inside, nice al dente. This moment we need to start to get a flavor on the pasta. So when you get on this kind of creaminess, the pasta is ready. Okay. Switch off the fire, add all the eggs with the cheese inside, and very quickly start to mix it. When you start to hear this sound, it means our pasta is ready. You need to have this consistency. If it's a little bit liquid, keep low fire on the flame. On the top, add the pecorino cheese. And then the black pepper. This is amazing, guys. By the way, like and subscribe.